What is the secret sauce that transforms ordinary businesses into extraordinary success stories? It is businesses that not only fulfill the needs of their customers but work to ensure their triumph and delight. Let's embark on an enthralling journey to uncover the magic of customer success and why it's an indispensable ingredient for thriving businesses. Grab this content-ready customer success guide PPT to train your team on delivering impeccable customer service. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. Gone are the days when success was quantified solely by profits and revenue. Today, businesses are shifting their focus from short-term gains to nurturing long-term relationships with their customers. By prioritizing customer satisfaction, loyalty, and long-term value, companies can create a thriving ecosystem that not only benefits their bottom line but also contributes to society. Looking to make your business flourish? Delve deeper into customer success and outline an actionable framework for your support team and cultivate long-lasting relationships with your audience. Emphasize onboarding, adoption, optimization, expansion, and more to make your business more agile and adaptable. Empower your customers and boost your business. Download our PowerPoint module on Guide to Customer Success from the link below. Create a 30, 60, 90-day plan to help your company invest in improving the customer experience, which includes evaluating customer sentiments, meeting stakeholders, communicating goals, and more. Deliver unparalleled customer satisfaction with smart customer segmentation and using tools to map their journey. Tailor your offerings to match the unique needs of diverse customer groups with this ready-to-use PPT template. Simplify customer onboarding in the first 30 days, streamline communication, address customers' needs, and emphasize a great channel mix to reach potential customers using this premium PPT template. Outline a timeline for customer engagement process and elevate your business. The key is to understand, engage, and exceed customer expectations. Turn your customers into brand ambassadors with our PPT deck on Guide to Customer Success. Download it now using the link below. Last but not the least, grab these customer success KPI dashboards to build customer-centric cultures. With real-time data, actionable insights, and proactive decision-making capabilities, these dashboards help you nurture strong customer relationships, drive growth, and outshine the competition. As customer success becomes the new frontier of business excellence, this pre-designed PowerPoint presentation is your guiding star to unparalleled success. Download now.